There's nothing quite like a cold, refreshing glass of water. So a dysfunctional water dispenser or bad-tasting water is not a problem you want to have. No worries, many times you can fix issues with the water dispenser in no time at all. If your fridge is dispensing water slowly, or it isn't dispensing at all, try closing the fridge door. The water dispenser may not work when it's opened. Next, check if child lock is activated. This will prevent buttons from being selected and could also disable the water dispenser. If water still won't come out or is very slow, there could be a problem with the water line. Make sure that it is properly connected to your fridge. Next, confirm that the water valve is turned on. Make sure that the water hose is not kinked or damaged. Another possible cause is a clogged filter. Remove the filter and see if the water comes out properly. If it does, it means your filter is clogged and you'll need to replace it. Finally, check if the water pressure is high enough. FYI, a water purifier may cause low water pressure. If you want to use a purifier, you'll need to remove the filter from your fridge to help balance out the water pressure. Maybe you're getting plenty of water, but it's warm or tastes bad. Well, while you're still here, we're going to go over these problems too. If the water tastes bad, it's probably because of the filter again. Make sure to replace your filter every 6 months to keep your water tasting fresh. Additionally, if the water line is too long, please shorten it. The water may start to smell or taste bad if it's been sitting in the water line for an extended period of time. As for warm water, it takes a while for the fridge to cool down water in the reservoir. Therefore, water may be warm if your fridge was just installed or if you've recently dispensed a lot of water. The water tank's capacity is 0.2 gallons, so dispensing 2 to 3 glasses of water will empty it. Wait 1 hour for the water to become nice and cold again.